Alright, so I'm just gonna put this in here. I've still got to go into town to get the, or probably get the front one, because this is the problem. Oh God, what the hell? You know, this all fell out the other day, so I've got to go. Got to go in here.
Yeah.
I just don't have the strength. Right, there we go. Now, I'll put this one in here. Right.
Okay, that one to hold this one. This is painted by ordinary paint, spray paint.
My special blue colour.
And then this one, orange, blue.
Yeah. Okay.
So that will hold that.
The nipple.
Okay.
All right.
Other side.
Okay. Now.
So now push it there. And then remove this cap.
Remove those caps. Yep.
You'll do the one in there. That one is the right one from my side. This is, so this is the hose. Let's connect here and here.
Okay.
And this one, the other side. Okay, so you need to tighten that one because it's hydraulic. Size spanner, 1/2.
No, it's a 9/16, so I don't think it's the right size. It's not the right size, but I just,
Yeah.
it's I'll do it.
That's the proper size?
No, I don't. Well, it sees through 9/16, but the nipple was, but this is a bit loose. I'll just stop it falling out the back.
Before you forgot.
Who forgets?
You forget. From falling forward.
Well, from that other one coming back out, really. I'll just get it bloody go.
Okay.
No idea. Alright, so that can't come out anymore.
That's fully secured. And it's not welded there. It's look like welded, but it's not. You can easily remove this. And yeah. Look unbalanced inside. You need the pin ready. Put that there.
Can you hold that up or hold that up? Okay, that's okay now, love. Now, we'll put this one up, aren't we? How's that looking?
Looking good.
Huh?
Yep. Push a little bit down there.
Well, You
Okay, okay.
you dig a lat and I'll
Yeah,
do the
okay.
pin.
No.
Okay. Right. Okay. Idiot. I just gotta.
Is that final?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, how's that one? Where the fucking hell is that? See, push that in. Dig it. Come on. Gotta go this way. Okay, push. Alright, now, but the thing is, have I got it? That's latched, isn't it? Okay, just let me see what happens.